Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravey. And guys, for this video, just a quick one. And as you can see, the two bottles I have in front of me today are the beers from my 1 gallon Parti Gyle. Now, just really quick, this was the first runnings beer. I've just called them, as you can see, big beer, small beer. I don't really have any idea as to what the styles of each of these beers are. I will probably review or do a side-by-side of each of them once they are ready to drink. Maybe another week or so's time, because as you can see, they are around about 48 hours in the bottle. Anyway, and before I forget, the recipe for this Parti Gyle will be down in the description. Anyway, there's the big beer. According to my hydrometer readings, 11.5%. A little bit stronger than what my recipe called for, but oh well. And the small beer, not overly small. I'm actually impressed at the ABV, 4.9%. I'm guessing that both beers will be around about 33 IBUs. So that's what I've just recorded on the labels. And again, around about 48 hours in the bottle. One other thing, you might be able to see it thanks to the microwave behind the bottles here, but both beers seem to be clearing up quite nicely. The little beer, or the smaller beer, looking somewhat clear. Probably a little bit of haze from my moving the bottles onto the work counter here. The big beer, a little bit darker, so you can't exactly see the clarity. But we will see it better again when I come to reviewing them maybe next week. I don't know. Oh, and due to my not really being able to get a good schedule going on in terms of brewing them both, I only got 3 bottles of the small beer and I think about 4 bottles out of the big beer. Although again, if that ABV is around about right, yeah, 4 bottles worth is probably going to be enough. For anybody that wants to kind of see if I did get the ABVs right, I will pop the starting and final gravities of both beers down in the description, along with the recipe for this particular beer, or these particular beers. I'll pop the recipe down there if you'd like to have a go of them yourself, see what you can come up with, and well, let's compare, shall we? Alright guys, well, again, it's just a quick one. Hope you've enjoyed it. So let me know what you think. Again, if you've kind of done this before and you can kind of give me some hints and tips on how better to brew such beers, let me know down in the description. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravey, and I'll see you later. Cheers.